Hello chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sharpen Chess YouTube channel. Today's chess video is about deadly King's Gambit reps you need to know. I am going to give you 4 different chess reps in King's Gambit decline. Okay. In this end of this video, I am going to give you an interesting puzzle for you. You need to watch until finish this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Let's go to the rep number 1. Okay. Hello everyone. This is rep number 1. Why by resigning 9 moves only, how to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First start with e4. This is called King's pawn opening. Then e5. King's pawn opening. f4. King's Gambit. Then black played another move of d5. Okay. In this case, white cut the pawn by the pawn. Then black push the pawn to e4. Then white knight go to c3. Now attack the black pawn by the white knight. Okay. Now black turn. Black played amazingly now knight f6. Okay. Then white played queen e2. Now double attack here in the pawn. Why the queen attack this pawn and knight attack this pawn. Only one defender for black. Knight is defender. The knight pawn. We will see how to carry this match black. Now black turn. Black played bishop f5. Okay, another defender coming on f5 bishop. Then white cut the pawn by the knight. We will see why this cut like this. In this case, black cut the knight. This is mistakes he did. We will see how to carry this match white. White push the pawn and d3. Then black queen come to check here. Then black the check with g3. In this case, queen e7. Go back to queen e7. Then pawn take the knight and bishop take the pawn. That's it. This is rep the rook. Why the bishop? I am going to explain right now. Why by resigning its 9 moves only. This bishop attack this rook. Okay. Then there is a pin here. We will see. If he cannot do anything, if he moves and check here, then he will push the pawn here. In this case, white resign. If take with this pawn, then take the rook. That's it. That's why white resign in 9 moves only. We can go to the rep number 2. Hello everyone. This is rep number 2. Why by resigning in 7 moves only, how to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Let's start with white. White played e4, King's pawn opening, e5, King's pawn opening, f4, King's Gambit. Okay, now King's Gambit on the board. Then d5. He pushed the pawn to d5. This is King's Gambit decline, fork wear counter attack. Then pawn take pawn. Then he pushed the pawn to e4. Then d3. He pushed the pawn to d3. Then knight f6. In this match, white resign. I am going to explain why by resigning 6-7 moves only. Okay. The 5th move of white turn. White played knight d2. Now attack the pawn by the knight. Then pawn take pawn. In this case, white going to cut the pawn by the bishop. Then knight cross d5. Cut the pawn by the knight. Then white knight go to e2. Then beautiful move make black knight. Knight come to e2. 3. That's it. Now queen is wrapped. This queen cannot go anywhere. That's why white resign this match. Okay. We can go to the rep number 3. Hello everyone. This is rep number 3. This is black resign in 8 moves only. White won the game. How to white won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. First move, start with white. White played e4. Okay, this is called King's pawn opening. Okay, then e5. This is called king's pawn opening. Then f4, d5. In this case, pawn take the pawn, then pawn push the pawn to e4, then d3. We will see how to can this match. Black knight go to f6. Okay, now black knight go to f6. Then queen go to e2. Now attack the pawn by the queen and pawn. Then bishop go to f5. Defend the pawn by the now bishop. We will see how to can this match. But white pawn take the black pawn. Then bishop take the e4 pawn. Then knight go to c3. White knight go to c3. In this case, black played now bishop b4. This is bad moves he did, because you can see queen b5 and beautiful check. Now wrap the bishop. If black the check with pawn, then he take, no take. He take the bishop. That's it. That's why black resigned this match. Now we can go to the wrap number 4. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sharpen Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 4. White resign in 9 moves only. Why by resign in 9 moves only? How to why black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Let's start with white. e4. This is called king's pawn opening. e5. King's pawn opening. f4. King's gambit. Then d5. King's gambit decline. E cross d5. Okay. Then pawn push the pawn to e4. Then d3. Then knight go to f6. Black knight go to f6. In this match, white resign in 9 moves. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. We can go to the another move of 5th move of white. White pawn take pawn. Then knight take pawn. Then knight go to c3. Then beautiful move make black queen h4 and beautiful check. In this case, black the check with pawn. Then knight cross g3. Knight take the pawn. Then he played a knight f3, attack the queen. But in this match, white resign because queen e7 and beautiful check. Then king go to f2. Then beautiful move make knight cross h1. The rook is wrapped. That's why in this match ended in white resign, black won the game. Okay, let's go to the another topic. This is the checkmate puzzles time. I am going to give you a puzzles. You need to find the right answer. We can go to the checkmate puzzles. Okay. Hello everyone. This is checkmate puzzles time. In this video, white and now in 3 moves, white won by checkmate. You need to find the right answer. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. Okay, I'm going to tell again. This is checkmate puzzles time. This is white turn right now. First move is white turn. In 3 moves, white won by checkmate. Please share your answer below the comment section. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye. God bless everyone.